Issue.
Aduh,
Real issue. Tengok aku tengok. Pro player.
wow, pro player, wow. Wow, sangat amazing ya.
Amazing. Jangan. Another pro player.
Ada apa? Itu dah lepas teman. Aduh, cuman.
Oh, astagfirullahaladzim.
Oh my god, buang masa kamu ni. Buang masa.
Itu apa itu?
Boleh kita duduk diam-diam? Apa gatal tangan pantat nih? Mau jalan?
Gatal.
Kau mau naik nih? Kau mau naik dengan si Bella ya?
Bella, please dong.
Dapat.
Oh. Fuck.
Diamond burger gitu.
Up. What the hell?
Oh,
I've been attacked.
Itu belum. Sambut satu orang.
Mana? Oh, nih. Dah sampai. Okay.
Sudah go away, never want to see.
Go away, bitch.
Dia takut. Asam dia bilang. Tiba-tiba di depan aku dia.
Ordinal banget. Yari. Kamu mau di atas kan?
Nah,
Ayo.
ini.
Lakas.
Kenapa?
Tidak di other side.
Tidak ada saya. Oh,
Tengok.
kereta.
Datar pantat tuh mau jalan.
Kereta, sabar.
Tengok. Udah betul.
Saya suruh datang.
Oh, let's go. Kita banyak barang.
Go.
Mana dia punya begitu?
Wih, ringan. Sumpah.
Kan,
Dorong
senangnya
buat ringan.
menarik.
Okay. Terus tolak. The burger. Ah, tutup dia.
Tahan cipris.
Tahan deh.
Aku datang merasa cipris.
Jangan dekat.
Alright.
Nice.
Dia dah dapat bunuh diri. Let's go.
Kami yang cari.
Balon.
Let's go.
Apa itu? Mati si Cheru.
Please.
Cheru, you died?
No.
Please.
Please.
Nice, yes. Dah bisa
She survived. But that white stupid man. White stupid man. This the stupid man.
Oh, sorry Cheru.
Bruh, don't bully my friend.
It's an accident.
Please.
Sorry. Okay.
What a chaos. Oh my god. Please.
Keep them. Sampai kau. Oh ya, masih balik pegang tuh kan? Kau.
Wih, tipu ya. Ya ampun.
Astaga.
Where are you? Where you, nigger?
Hai,
Oh my
kenapa game?
god. Right here. Wait, jap.
Hah? Yes?
Masuk.
You.
Ceru.
Carry me. Please?
Ceru yang mau first.
Carry me.
Mari, makin jauh pula kau.
Hello?
Process is kinda boring.
Kenapa kau?
Apa lagi? Breaking service. Hilang suara kamu.
Nothing. Jom balik.
Oh,
Jom balik. Oh. Jom balik.
baru keluar suara mereka. Nah, Q pun aku dah boleh.
Ya. La. Yay! I won. I wanna. Astaga. Dorang keluar, freeze. Oi, dari keluar.
Okay.
Ya, kita restart. Ceru, we're gonna restart.
Alamak.
Wait. Kita ini untuk dorang. This for them.
Jom explore.
If you listen to Trump, you wouldn't know that China and America are superpower rivals.
But he
locked
can't
in
go.
a furious.
Not because of his failed exams or missing degrees, but because of his faith. As a Brahmin Hindu, Ramanujan isn't allowed to cross the sea. For him and his family, these rules matter deeply. If a devout Hindu like Ramanujan were to travel to England, he could be expelled from his caste. He might no longer be welcome in the homes of his friends and family, or even be allowed to enter a temple again. For now, Ramanujan is tied to India. Still, with Hardy, there is finally someone who listens to him, someone who takes him seriously. His letters move him deeply. When he replies, he doesn't hold back his joy.
I have found a friend in you.
Ramanujan knows that he's smart.
What I want at this stage is for eminent professors like you to recognize that there is some worth in me.
Hardy and Ramanujan exchange letters for months. Ramanujan tries to include proofs for some of his theorems, but they're often incomplete. Hardy remains determined to bring him to Cambridge, to nurture his talent, and to finally talk in person about his extraordinary formulas. But there's only one person with the power to let Ramanujan go. His mother has always been a central figure in his life. She's more than a parent, she's a friend. They enjoy each other's company, they understand each other. And for her, living by the rules of the Brahmin caste is essential. She's firmly against the idea of her son crossing the ocean, and for Ramanujan, her disapproval carries real weight. But one night, Ramanujan's mother has a dream. In it, she sees her son surrounded by Europeans. She hears the voice of the goddess Namagiri, their family deity. The goddess tells her not to stand in the way of her son's destiny, not to block the path to the purpose he was born to fulfill. The dream leaves a deep impression on Ramanujan's mother. To her, it's a clear sign, a message she can't ignore. She listens to the goddess and gives Ramanujan her blessing to sail to Europe. Meanwhile, Hardy and his colleagues do everything in their power to secure him a scholarship. Somehow, they persuade Madras University to support him. They provide him with funding for a 2-year stay in Cambridge. Nothing's stopping Ramanujan now. He can finally go where the greatest minds in mathematics are. On March 17th,
Cute what?
Anomaly.
Cute what?
Kema dorong nih. Siya bilogi. Tidak datang.
Okay, okay. I guess the predator is not that bad. I guess. Pet the dog. Okay. Iris, si Cheru cakep. Pet the dog. Touch the balloon.
What?
Hilang.
Apa maksud
Oh, no.
catch the balloon? What do you
Catch
mean
the
by
balloon.
that?
You'll see. You will see.
So where are they? Are they just gonna... Okay, let's go. Let's
They're gonna,
play.
they're gonna spawn random.
Jaga, mana dorong nih?
The one with hands? Oh. Okay. How do we avoid? Because I heard
The one with
The one with
hands. So
hands.
the tall lady.
she will find you wherever you are. Back door. Back door?
She always knows
She always.
where you are.
Oh.
So tight.
I don't think hiding is a word. Oh no, the connection is so bad. How you been, Cheryl? Long time no see.
Gives Ramanujan her blessing to sail to Europe. Meanwhile, Hardy and his colleagues do everything to support him. They provide him with funding for a 2-year stay in Cambridge. Nothing's stopping Ramanujan now. He can finally go where the greatest minds in mathematics are. On March 17, 1914, the 26-year-old boards a ship to Europe, with Western clothes. But his new life in England will be nothing like he imagined. Eventually, this foreign country will break him.
Me too.
When Ramanujan arrives in London, he's overwhelmed. Nearly 5 million people live here, 10 times more than in Madras. The city is fast, loud, and vastly different from Ramanujan's quiet life in South India. In the early days, one of Hardy's colleagues looks after Ramanujan. He even lets him stay in his home. Later, Ramanujan moves to Whale Court in Cambridge, just 5 minutes away from Hardy. In this unfamiliar world, Ramanujan faces new challenges. He now eats with knives and forks, something he finds awful. Hard metallic things penetrating the mouth, he says, and he struggles to remember the English names of the people he meets. Still, those early days have their joys. Spring arrives with beautiful weather, and for a moment, everything feels full of promise.
Them.
Ramanujan is simply happy to be in this mathematical heaven, where his ideas no longer draw puzzled looks. Most importantly, he now gets to work closely with Hardy and Littlewood, the two elite mathematicians who sifted through his notes and saw the brilliance within. Ramanujan meets with Hardy and Littlewood several times a week. Hardy is especially eager to dive into Ramanujan's notebooks. So day after day, they sit together, working through those strange but beautiful equations. Now, with no ocean between them, it's finally easier for Ramanujan to explain his ideas. He can show Hardy and Littlewood, face to face, the formulas he spent years developing through tireless effort and isolation. Back in India, Ramanujan was always alone. Just Carr's book, his own notes, and his relentless drive. No one around him truly understood his work. But now he has real companions. Although he is living in an unfamiliar country, their presence more than makes up for it. Most of the time, Ramanujan is tucked away in his or Hardy's room, lost in mathematics. He's rarely seen outside, but when he is, people spot him waddling across the court in slippers. Western shoes are too tight for him. When Hardy studies Ramanujan's notebooks, he's fascinated with his intuitive approach to mathematics. It's nothing like the methods of Cambridge-trained mathematicians. Hardy is especially impressed by Ramanujan's insight into algebraic formulas and into the transformation of infinite series. Some of his results are rediscoveries other mathematicians had found 50 or 100 years before. Ramanujan often found new ways to obtain them, but large parts of his notebooks consist of entirely new formulas. At the time, Hardy and Littlewood are only beginning to scratch the surface of Ramanujan's work, and even decades later, mathematicians will still be wrestling with the depth and mystery of the formulas he left behind. Hardy begins to understand how deeply, almost spiritually, Ramanujan connects with numbers. There is a moment when Hardy visits Ramanujan by cab when he notices a number on it, 1729. When he tells Ramanujan about it, he calls it a rather dull number. Ramanujan, in fact, sees much more in it. But what exactly does he see? We invited Derek over, from our good friends at Veritasium, to help make sense of this.
Ramanujan's immediate response is that 1729 is a fascinating number because it's the smallest number that can be written as the sum of two cubes in two different ways.
Cubic numbers are just one number multiplied by itself 3 times. So you can have 1 cubed, 2 cubed, 3 cubed, and so on. Now you can start adding some of these together. For example, 1 cubed plus 2 cubed equals 9, or 3 cubed plus 4 cubed equals 91. If we list all numbers up to 100, what you find is that most numbers can't be written as the sum of 2 cubes at all. And even if you can only write it in one unique way. The same is true for all numbers up to 500, 1,000, or even 1,500. But that changes at 1729. This is the smallest number that can be written as 1 cubed plus 12 cubed and as 9 cubed plus 10 cubed.
Ramanujan already knew about this number, and he recognized it as soon as Hardy mentioned his taxi. In fact, mathematicians named these taxicab numbers after that very conversation. But Ramanujan's incredible grasp of numbers can perhaps be best seen with what he did with pi.
Pi is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter, but what makes it special is that it has an infinite number of non-repeating digits. For centuries, mathematicians worked on finding better and better ways to write down pi. In the 17th century, the famous German mathematician Gottfried Leibniz wrote down the following formula. This formula uses an infinite sum over n. We can start approximating this by taking the expression and replacing n with 0. Next, we add an...
Okay, let's start, I guess. Please. Tris mana ka?
Fris? Papa pulang.
Dari kota.
Yo, what's up, nigga? What's up, bro?
What's up, nigga? What's up, bro?
Astaga. Why you being racist?
Because
He's a nigga.
I'm black.
He's a nigga, so yeah. We can be racist with him.
The black
Nigga, I swear.
Nigga can say nigga, right?
Three people eat. Aku sudah makan 1.
Apa? Yo, nigga, what's up?
Yo, what's up? What's up, Kobe?
Don't mind them, Cheru. They're being silly.
Nigga, pusing, nigga.
They're being
Suara
silly.
kayak pusing.
Okay, it's yours.
Let's go, nigga.
Shut up.
Hijau.
Ada nigga.
Bawa aku jalan-jalan, hijau.
Terbalik. Sepatutnya nigga yang memandu.
Yes.
Udah biasa drive thru kan, nigga?
Don't mind them.
Nigga, drive thru, cepat.
Excuse me?
Oh my god, lightsaber! Oh my god, lightsaber!
Come on! Karaoke! No! Oh, iya kan, Mr. Bean?
Nigga!
Aduh, this nigga broadcast. Ayah.
Nigga. Oh, ada ketam.
Ew. I don't like it. I don't. What's this? Ow! Oh shit.
Yo, come here. Come here. Come
I
here.
got stuck and I killed.
Ya apa berjalan? Utuh
Iya. Ew.
Yo, come here. Masa dia?
Oh shit, dia tak balik.
Oh.
First. Dia laser ke bawah tu. Mau dia tahu tahu benda.
Ayam.
Ya.
Okay. Ya aku masuk dulu.
Mana sekutu tadi?
Apa tuh? Pegang. Wih, besarnya.
Jangan pegang dia.
Gigit dia.
Oh no, nyawa. Gemuk saja.
Dia sedut no. Lepas.
Oh my god, you didn't tell me.
Kalau kau pegang dia memang tak boleh lepas tu. Mungkin.
Mustahil. Mesti ada tuh cara dia.
Apa caranya? Cium dia balik.
Hijau. Oh, hijau.
Kita sedut dia balik.
Hijau. Mana si hijau?
Tiger, shut
Mana
up.
si hijau? Mana si hijau? Panggil dia.
Bagus. Oh, ada impact kah?
Dia laser
Ada
kau.
impact
my God.
rupanya. Salah, ada impact rupanya kalau kena pergi dinding tu.
Oh my
Kalau kau di laser sambil kena pergi dinding.
Hanya kau kan tak hantar je. That's all.
Kill yourself.
Oh, hijau. Mana kau hijau?
Kill yourself. Kill yourself.
Alah. Come on, Cing.
Wow, pro gamer.
Kena barang lagi kan untuk pecah.
What the?
Haha, you missed tiket.
Kau kasi laser je. Ya. Please. Mana kau hijau? Hijau.
Wih, apa tuh? Ada menyerang kau.
Bro, kita miskin, mati jangan.
Kita miskin, mau kerja lah.
Kita miskin.
Ya, aku mau
Do it. Okay. Do it for the meme.
Oh.
Oh,
shit.
bye bye.
Come to papa. Come here.
Papa.
Cara mau bunuh dia nih?
I don't know.
Oh, ada telepon. Ada orang call aku.
Ada telepon? Hello.
Ini bang.
Kasih dia silau.
Kan berat aku dah.
Tanah fresh kedai.
Yeah. Oh, akhirnya.
6,000 let's go.
Belum. Oh, shit. Depan.
Good job bro.
Kan?
Good job bro.
Aku baru mau lempar barang sama dia. Terus auto dipegang. Saya diraba.
Kena gigi.
Atau disak.
Kena isap.
Kena isap terus.
Kena saki-saki 3000. Oh.
Alamak. Ada
Have mercy.
Ada motor.
Motor
Yo.
mana?
Ya kan?
Sekejap, wait, cuba boleh pakai tak?
Cek dia mau pakai kan? Patut dia senjata.
Bye bye. Oh. No.
Did I win? Really? Wait, that's all? Did I win? Apa nih? Oh. Jap. Apa jadi kalau aku biar sini?
Loser.
Everyone is a tie.
Nigga loser.
This nigger is loser.
Let's go.
Kejap.
Ada warna
Mouse
baru.
dah function. Oh.
Ada
Kenapa
nude.
aku new
Tidak mau. Warna tai. Ada warna tai.
tato?
Ada warna color.
Aduh. I hate this. Pasti kau berlari dalam troli.
Siapa nih warna ni? Bersama pun warna kami.
Keru. Cantik saya kotaknya.
Itulah ada tekstur.
Tekstur.
Edges ada tekstur.
Pecah. Oh.
Dah apa lah?
Boleh.
Start juga.
Somebody died.
Mati. Fuck. No. Fuck lah, baca dengan Royo. Bising.
Berat tidak usah besok.
Fuck lah, baca. Kau pegang kad kan?
Iya. POV aku pun lucu juga dari cara dia mandi.
Teru, don't run.
Safe space, everybody, safe space.
Teru. That's Teru, that's true.
Mega, I'm so pro, guys. I'm so pro. Not a single damage.
Nice. Unlike Chris.
Let's go. Jump. Extract. Who the hell?
You guys freaking suck.
Okay, kanan. Oh, kiri. Sorry.
Nggak boleh harap kiri kanan. Okay, so your kiri is my kanan.
Don't judge the kiri by its kanan. Remember that. Don't judge my kiri, even though it's your kanan.
Jaga jadker. No, no. Yes.
Oh, still alive. Give you. Let's go.
Okay. Pas matak.
Depan mata aku ada kena
Yang
tembak.
I deserve some form of reward for that.
Royo.
Yes.
Kejap.
Royo, please.
Awal lagi lah. Namanya tu.
Apa kah? Okay.
Staffnya.
Apa ni?
Mana kan kau cakap please.
I want this.
Aku letak bagus-bagus. What?
Sprint.
Mana? Sudah? I need bomb. Bombination. Oh, range.
Just bawa ni. Ni, Bob.
Oh,
Bang na.
How dare you? Pergi pegang
Oh.
cut.
do we need this?
Ha? Mana ada? Aku dah pegang dia. Apa-apa.
Tapi
Sampai situ. Kau tiba-tiba paci. Kena tembak aku lari lah.
Aku serius. Aku tidak pegang apa-apa. Dia mesti dia nak serang aku.
ih,
Tapi kau bising.
Dah habis lawan.
Waiting.
ada. Okay.
Kau lagging kau.
Legging terlalu.
Kau lagging betul lah.
Wih, dia boleh pegang, wih.
Ya, boleh.
What?
Update baru kan segitu.
Wait, jap. Alah, nak dapat pegang sini dia pergi bom.
Tembak terus semua ya.
My shield.
Walau otak shield.
My shield.
No shield.
Ada parang.
I am not embarrassed. Let me. Semua benda kamu ambil. Dia bagi aku pun.
Dek, bye.
Bitch.
Aku rasa kita mau
Dasar
tambah yang
rakus.
sharing apa? Sharing apa?
Share upgrade. It's
Ya,
okay,
itu
kita.
Sharing.
It's okay, kita mana ada cheat. What the hell? Aku dengan Cheruya lah kamu.
Kau mesti Q.
Pay.
Timbang ayam. Ya, itu. Mantap. Jadi semata. this.
Ya kah? Ih, sange. Sumpah sange.
Dia datang balik guys. Rupanya kepalanya.
Oh my. Ew. I don't like it.
Macet akan keluar.
Hmm?
Never mind.
What? Alah, dia terkeluar. Mau restart kah?
Shit. Ouch. Starnya depan dia.
Ya. Poison 9. Camping. Ya kan aku lupa aku ada bom.
Ay, tak mati. Nice. Oh, pecah barang kita.
Oh.
Game.
Oh,
Oh.
Bro.
Sip.
This game.
Nyawa aku tinggal 3 aja. Siapa mati? Cheru mati.
Ceru. Hah?
Cheru mati.
No? Sini?
I thought it was Cheru. Oh, hi. Please. Hi, nigger. What's up, nigger? Hi.
This game sucks, bro.
Nope. Bye-bye. You guys okay?
Oh. Okay, we're okay. I will
Careful.
look fine.